Welcome to Ajisha's Tuition, where learning made easy.
In this channel, we are going to learn basic mathematics and physics. If you like our video lectures, give us like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Happy learning!
Here we want to factorize x square plus 14x plus 45. For the factorization of this type of polynomial, here this polynomial is in the form of x square plus ax plus b. First term is x square, that is highest power. Degree of this polynomial is 2 and this is a trinomial. Second term is a constant into a variable. Here also a constant into a variable. Third term is a constant, that is 45. So for this type of polynomial we are using another one identity. That is, during the multiplication time we studied about x plus 3 into x plus 5. That is polynomial which is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. That can be solved by using the identity x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, that is x square first term. Then we have to find the sum of the last two term a and b. Then you have to multiply with x. Then we have to find the product of the last two ab. That is, here you can write x square plus 5 into 5 plus 3, that is 8x plus 15. This is the multiplication. X plus 3 into x plus 5 equal to x square plus 8x plus 15. Here 8 is the sum of a and b and 15 is the product of a and b. 8 is the sum of a and b and 15 is the product of a and b. So here we can write a is the sum. A is the sum and b is the product. A is the sum and b is the product. Here what is a? A is 14 and b is 45. That is, during the multiplication, if this factors are given, we have to find the product. Now this product is given, we have to find out the factors. So here our expression is x square plus 14x plus 45. This expression, the second term, the expression that is coefficient of x square, that must be 1. And 14 is the sum of the term and 45 is the product of the term. A be the sum and b be the product. So we can write sum equal to 14, product is equal to 45. So here you can write product is 45. This is product. Here the sum is 14. Now you have to find out the two factors. 45. Okay, that is, we have to find the two numbers. If you multiply the two number, answer is 45. If you add the two number, the answer should be 14. In that way you have to find the two numbers. Okay, that is, if you multiply these two number, the product is 45. If you add that two number, the product is 14. So we can write here 45. 9 5s are 45. So we can take 9 and 5. If you multiply 9 and 5, what is answer? Answer is, here you can write 9 and 5. If you multiply 9 and 5, 45. If you add, first you have to take the factor, then you have to check the addition. If the two number, if you add, if the answer is correct, then you can take that two factor. Here 9 and 5. Using this 9 and 5, the above polynomial can be written x square plus, instead of 14x we can write 9x plus 5x. That is, if you add this 9x plus 5x, answer is 14x. 9 plus 5, 14x. That is like term. This 14x can be written 9x plus 5x, that is equal to 14x. Term, that is one group, and the second two term, that is a second group. In the first two term we can take x is common, that is x into x. First term x remaining, second term 9 remains. Then plus, here 5 is common, so you can take 5 is common. In the next, within the bracket, here x remains. Here 9 5s are 45. This is 9. Now again here there are two terms. This is the first term and this one is second term. In both term x plus 9 is common. In both term x plus 9 is common, so you can take x plus 9. Then the remaining is first term x, second term is 5. So we can say that x plus 9 and x plus 5 are the factors of the given polynomial x square plus 14x plus 45. Here, instead of doing these steps, here simply you can write the factors. So here we got 9 and 5. Here the x square. So if you got that factor, simply you can write instead of x square, you have to take x. X here 9, symbol is plus 9. Now here 5, so we can write x plus 5. Okay, this is without doing HCF, we can write the factors of the given polynomial if the polynomial is in the form of x square plus ax plus b. Here also we have to factorize x square minus 4x minus 21. So here you can write the polynomial first, x square minus 4x minus 21. So here we can write sum is equal to, here minus 4. So sum is minus 4 and the product is minus 21. Product is equal to minus 21. So here you can write sum product is minus 21, sum is minus 4. So you have to find out the factors. So here you have to find out the factors. What are the two factors? If you multiply, the product become minus 21. If you add, the sum become minus 4. So you have to take the factors of 21. We know that 21, if you multiply 7 into 3, 7 into 3, that is equal to 21. 7 into 3 is 21. Here the symbol is minus. So definitely we can say that one number should be minus. In sum is also minus, so we can say that the bigger number is minus and the smaller number is plus. That is, if you take 7 and minus 3, that is minus 21, and if you add minus 7 plus 3, minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. Okay, that is sum is minus 4. Suppose if you take 7 and minus 3, if you multiply 7 and minus 3 is minus 21, but if you add 7 plus minus 3, our answer is 4. So here sum is minus 4, product is minus. If product is minus, so here we can say that if the product is minus, we can say that one number should be minus, the other one should be negative. If the product is positive, then we can say that either two numbers are positive or the two numbers are negative. Similarly, in the case of sum, if the sum is negative, we can say that either two number is negative or bigger number should be negative. And if the sum is plus, we can say that both numbers should be plus. In that way, you have to find out the factors. So here minus 21, the product is negative, sum is also negative. So we can say that one number should be negative. And sum is negative, that shows bigger number is negative. So here you can say minus 7. Smaller number is positive, that is minus 7 and plus 3. If you multiply 7 and 3, answer is minus 21. If you add 7 and 3, you have to subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4 and the symbol of bigger number is minus. So we can write minus 4. So the factors are, so here we can write, so the factors, simply you can write the factors. Here x square, the product, that is coefficient is 1. So we can write the factors x. First factor is x minus 7. Second factor is x plus 3. These are the two factors of the given polynomial x minus 7 and x plus 3. Here also you have to factorize x square plus 4x minus 77. So here also you can write sum is equal to 4 and the product, that is equal to minus 77. So here you can write minus 77 is the product and the sum is 4. Okay, that is from the product and sum we can say that product is negative, sum is positive. So we can say that the two numbers, out of the two number, one must be positive, the other one must be negative, and the bigger number should be positive because the sum is positive. So here 77 and 4. In 77 factors you have to check. If you check 77 factors, the factors 77, if you multiply 11 into 7, 11 into 7 is 77. Okay, then if 77 is negative, so 1 should be negative, and here sum is positive, so we can say that 11 should be positive and 7 should be negative. If you multiply plus 11 into minus 7, that is 77. If you add plus 7 minus 7, that is 4. Okay, so here we can take the numbers are 11 and here the numbers is minus 7. This is product, this one is sum, this one is the product. Okay, that is if you multiply 11 in, so here the given polynomial h square plus 4h minus 77 can be written. First factor is 11, so we can write h plus 11. Second one is minus 7, so we can write h minus 7. So h plus 7 and h minus 7 are the two factors of h square plus 4h minus 77.